Are you the type that is always obsessed when it comes to having a perfect zipper in your pillows or clothes? This video is just made for you. Learn in just 2 minutes how to attach your lapped zipper to your pillows and clothes. It is really simple and easy to make. But you know, most at times the videos we saw online makes them a little bit complicated, especially for a beginner. So in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to attach a perfect lap zipper. Let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to DIYs here. My name is Nafisa, and in this channel we specialize in different kind of throw pillows, pillow covers, cushion covers of different designs ranging from flower, vegetable and fruit shapes, crochet and Canadian smoking throw pillows and bed covers. If you are in this niche, you can start by subscribing to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Then click on the notification bell next to it so that you don't miss out on our weekly uploads. First, we'll start by folding our cloth about 2.5 to 3 inches or just big enough to cover the zip. Next, we enhance the fold. You can also iron the fold to make it easier to work with. Attach your zipper with the front facing the folded side of the material. Flip to the wrong side of the material and sew your zipper, making sure that the zip slider is not on your way. Then just sew all the way down. See, already looking good. The next or the last step is just to attach the other piece on the other side of the zipper, taking note of your slider so that it will not hinder the process by being on your way. Here, our lap zipper is successfully attached. So tell me, how long did it take you to make your own? Please, I would like to know. Drop your comment in the comment section under this video, and I would love to hear from you. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button under this video, then click on the notification bell next to it, so that you get notified of our new uploads. Give us a thumbs up by clicking on the like button, share with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.